Hello, so let's start with number theory. Number one is the first in a series of videos for our big set of math problems. It's the smallest number whose double is a square and whose triple is a cube. This problem is taken from OpenPOTD, which is a problem of the day bot system in Discord. So let's see how to solve the problem. So in this case, we have a prime factorization in the form 2 to the blank times 3 to the blank. Why only 2 and 3 and no other prime factor? Because for its triple to be a cube, we just need one more 3, and for its double to be a square, we just need one more 2. All right, so we put 2 and 3 right there. So if we try 2 to the 1, since when you multiply by 2, it becomes 2 squared, and then 3 squared, when you multiply it, becomes 3 cubed. All right, you will see that it does not work out. Yes, when you multiply it by 2, it will become a perfect square, but when you multiply it by 3, it won't, because it will become 2 times 3 cubed, which is not what we expected. So we can change the exponent of 2, change it to something else. So I'll erase the 1 here. And what can we do? Since we cannot do 2 squared, we can try 2 cubed. All right, so we have 2 cubed times 3 squared, that is 8 times 9, which is 72. And also when you try it out, 2 cubed, when you multiply it by 2, it becomes 2 to the 4th, and 3 squared becomes 3 cubed. And both are divisible by 3. And yes, everything works out, so our answer is 72. And we are done.